Lucy, stop. Lucy, Lou, I got you on camera.
Mega Nanodots?
No way, wants to see the teeth.
In unusually awesome ways with Mega Nanodots. These electroplated magnets use their spherical shape and surprising strength to create interesting
You're mad. You're a funny cat.
part building block and part desktop conversion. The versatile dots are great for fidgeting, making them a perfect tactile distraction. Try out different tricks until you become
It's okay, baby. See?
Yeah, I can see you got that listed here on your resume. Can you explain how that relates to a job in sales? I can also do pivot tables in Excel.
whether you're making
Oh, but she getting mad.
it's possible, you'll always
She
find
be
new
getting
ways to
mad.
play with Mega Nanodots. Buy the 30-pack and shop hundreds more gifts at VAT19.com.
Kayla, you can sled in the summer.
Power of magnets. Tap on these videos and also tap
Poor Lucy. She be so mad. Are you okay? Hey, say hi.
There comes
Say hi, Lucy.
Kayla, watch this video.
a time when
I'm
spring
recording.
is sprung,
Say hi,
and
Lucy.
store away winter tools and toys. But what if you could keep
Say
that
hi.
sled
Hi.
all year long? Now you can
What a rude way to say hi.
all-season sled. I can use
Don't you think, Megan?
to keep the fun going.
That's a rude way to growl at people at the camera.
To create the ice.
Say hi.
Sheets.
Say hi.
Your local sledding
Be a nice kitty.
As the ice melts, it provides the perfect
Be a nice
slippery
kitty
surface
cat.
to glide downhill. Don't worry about the lawn. The ice freezes
Nobody wants to see the teeth.
distributes the weight.
No.
The slicers
No.
on having perfect smell, so don't be afraid to push the limits of sledding.
It's okay.
Simply remove the ice trays, and you've got a traditional toboggan. Enjoy the ride
Hey,
with
Bing.
the Slicer all-season sled. Buy it and shop for hundreds more curiously awesome gifts at VAT19.com. VAT19.
For more awesome ways to enjoy ice year round, check out the video social media and
Cute. So cute. Bye, guys.